Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a topic that's bound to ignite your financial journey, millionaire habits that will make you rich. We're Mindshift TV, and we're excited to be your guide on this transformative voyage towards financial prosperity. Whether you're dreaming of becoming a millionaire or you're already on the path, get ready to absorb game-changing strategies. Let's dive in. But before we dive into these millionaire habits, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what sets millionaires apart from the rest of the crowd? Well, wonder no more. Today, I'm unveiling the habits that have paved the way to financial success for countless individuals. Get ready to learn, implement, and soar towards your financial goals. Segment 1. Mastering the Art of Financial Discipline. Let's kick things off by diving into the cornerstone of millionaire habits, financial discipline. Learning to manage your money wisely is the first step towards accumulating wealth. Imagine treating your finances like a well-tended garden, carefully monitoring your expenses and investments. By consistently living within your means, saving and investing intelligently, you lay the foundation for long-term financial success. One of the key aspects of financial discipline is creating and adhering to a budget. Tracking your income and expenses helps you identify areas where you can cut back and redirect funds towards investments or savings. By practicing financial discipline, you not only avoid unnecessary debt, but also cultivate a healthy relationship with money that sets you on the path to prosperity. Segment 2. Embracing a growth mindset towards investments. Next on our journey towards financial riches is the mindset behind investments. Millionaires don't merely save money, they invest it wisely, cultivating wealth through strategic decisions. Imagine viewing investments as opportunities for growth, rather than risks to avoid. Millionaires understand that well-calculated risks can lead to substantial rewards, and they continuously seek opportunities to expand their financial portfolio. When it comes to investments, it's important to diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk. Millionaires often invest in a variety of assets such as stocks, real estate, and bonds. They also seek guidance from financial advisors and stay informed about market trends. By adopting a growth mindset and seeking opportunities for smart investments, you position yourself to make your money work for you and achieve long-term financial growth. Segment 3. Practicing consistent learning and personal development. Moving forward on our journey to millionaire habits is the commitment to continuous learning and personal development. Millionaires understand that investing in themselves is just as crucial as financial investments. Imagine devoting time each day to expanding your knowledge, honing new skills, and growing as an individual. By consistently enhancing your abilities and broadening your horizons, you position yourself to seize new opportunities and navigate challenges with finesse. Personal development can encompass various aspects, from improving communication skills to staying updated on industry trends. Millionaires often prioritize reading, attending seminars, and seeking mentorship to accelerate their growth. By cultivating a hunger for knowledge and seeking self-improvement, you not only enhance your financial acumen, but also develop a mindset that is adaptable and open to change. Segment 4. Cultivating a strong work ethic. Now let's uncover the vital role of a strong work ethic in the journey to wealth creation. Millionaires understand that success doesn't come overnight. It's the result of consistent hard work and dedication. Imagine approaching your work with unwavering commitment and giving your best effort in everything you do. Millionaires know that each step forward, no matter how small, contributes to their larger goals and brings them closer to financial success. A strong work ethic involves more than just putting in long hours. It's about being productive, efficient, and dedicated to achieving your goals. Millionaires often prioritize their tasks, delegate when necessary, and maintain a balance between work and personal life. By consistently striving for excellence and persistently working towards your objectives, you not only set the stage for financial growth, but also earn respect and opportunities in your professional sphere. Segment 5. Networking and building strong relationships. Next up on our journey towards millionaire habits is the art of networking and building meaningful relationships. Successful individuals recognize the value of connecting with others. Imagine expanding your circle to include mentors, peers, and individuals who share your aspirations. By building relationships, seeking guidance, and collaborating with others, you open doors to opportunities and insights that can propel you towards financial prosperity. Networking isn't just about accumulating a list of contacts, it's about fostering authentic connections. Millionaires often attend networking events, engage in industry forums, and actively seek mentorship. By surrounding yourself with individuals who challenge and inspire you, you not only gain access to valuable knowledge, but also create a support system that can accelerate your progress. Segment 6. Strategic time management. Strategic time management is a key ingredient in the recipe for millionaire success. The efficient use of time can make the difference between mediocrity and extraordinary achievement. Imagine structuring your days with intention, setting clear priorities, and eliminating time-wasting activities. Millionaires understand that time is a finite resource, and managing it effectively is vital for maximizing productivity and achieving financial goals. Effective time management involves creating schedules, setting deadlines, and allocating time to tasks based on their importance and urgency. Millionaires often prioritize their most impactful tasks early in the day when their energy is at its peak. By managing your time thoughtfully and minimizing distractions, you not only accomplish more but also create space for strategic thinking and innovation. Segment 7. Giving back and practicing generosity. Our journey towards millionaire habits wouldn't be complete without highlighting the significance of giving back and practicing generosity. Millionaires understand the power of contributing to causes larger than themselves. Imagine making philanthropy a part of your financial journey, whether through donations, volunteering, or mentorship. Millionaires recognize that sharing their success with others not only brings fulfillment, but also creates a positive ripple effect in their communities. Giving back is a practice that not only benefits others but also enhances your own sense of purpose and satisfaction. Millionaires often establish charitable foundations or contribute a portion of their earnings to causes they believe in. By practicing generosity, you not only create a positive impact but also foster a sense of abundance that aligns with the mindset of prosperity. And there you have it, aspiring millionaires, a treasure trove of habits that can propel you towards financial success. Remember, these habits aren't secrets, they're strategies that anyone can adopt and implement. If this video resonated with you and you're excited to embark on the journey of cultivating millionaire habits, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow dreamers. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to join our community of individuals committed to achieving their financial goals. As you integrate these habits into your life, remember that every step you take brings you closer to the financial future you envision. Keep aiming high, stay persistent, and watch as your millionaire habits lay the foundation for a life of abundance. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey towards financial prosperity. Keep these millionaire habits close to your heart and know that with dedication and determination, you're well on your way to achieving the success you desire. Until next time, stay inspired and keep chasing those dreams.